So our industrial clients are primarily slot machine manufacturers, medical equipment, and also from the consumer side is that we do a lot of artwork. People come to Las Vegas, they buy a piece of artwork, and then they say, okay, how do we get it home? And then, they call us and we get, whether it's a painting or whether it's a statue of Superman, we ship a lot of those things day in and day out. But our biggest challenge is from our industrial clients, we may have to do 300 crates within 24 to 48 hours. And that's where the investment in machinery helps us, because we're able to do all of our cuts very, very fast and accurately too. And so we may have, in regards to 1 week, no industrial crates, and then the next week, hundreds of industrial crates. Some people on our team have over 15 years of experience in regards to building crates, and that comes in handy because these guys care about what they're doing, they care about the company, they care about the clients.